Hello guys, welcome to another video from programming tutorials channel. Today in this video I want to solve the question number 2.35. The question is carpool saving calculator. So the variables, the things we need is given here. So let's calculate it. First of all, we need scanner class. Now we should get the inputs. Miles driven per day. Now let's take it input and miles per day is equals to input.nextInt. Now we should get another inputs. Enter cost of each gallons of oil. So cost per gallon. Now take input cost per gallon equals to input dot nextInt. So we have another output. Enter the average miles per gallon. It means that how many miles we can go with 1 gallon of oil. So let's enter it into average miles per gallon. So this is let's take it input and average per gallon equals to input.nextInt. So we have another input. Enter parking fees per day. So now we should get it input int parking cost equals to input.nextInt. So now let's calculate the equations. We have here total miles driven per day. We have cost per gallon of gasoline, average miles per gallon, and also parking fees per day. Total cost, how much we spend per day is we should get it here. So for calculating this, we need to divide the cost per gallon to the average. Cost per gallon should be divided to average miles per gallon. It will give us the value of the cost of each miles. Then we can calculate it with the total miles driven per day, and then we will add it to this value, so we will get the total cost per day. Let's do it. Cost per gallon. Cost per gallon equal divide to the average gallon. So now we have the cost of each mile. How much oil do 1 mile spend? We have it here. Now let's multiply it by the total miles we driven per day. So and now we should have per day driving cost. Per day driving cost equals to cost per mile. This one, cost per mile into miles per day. Miles per day is here. So now we have the cost of 1 day driving. Now we should add it to the parking fees. So what is the parking fees? Total cost per day is equals to this value plus parking value. Now we have finished the question. Let's print it. Your daily cost of driving plus total cost per day. So it is finished. Let's check the output. So enter miles driven per day. For example, I have drive 57 kilometers miles. Then enter cost per gallon. Cost per gallon, maybe it costs 2000. Now enter the average miles per gallon. 1 gallon of oil will we can drive with that about 400 miles. So I get 350 miles per gallon. Enter the parking fees. So we do it 80 rupees. Now your daily cost of driving is 455 rupees. So let's check it again with another inputs. For example, I drive 10 kilometers miles, and now enter cost of per gallon 2000. Enter average miles per gallon. Average miles per gallon also could be 350, and this is 20. So now check the output. If we drive 10 miles per day, then we will pay only 70 rupees. So it's done. If you like this video, subscribe the channel to get next videos. Thank you.